Ever noticed how your engine sometimes cranks but doesn't fire up right away? Today we're breaking down a small but critical part of your fuel system, the fuel pump relay. Hey everyone, welcome to AutoFix Craft. In this video, we're going to understand how the fuel pump relay works and why it plays such an important role in your vehicle's fuel delivery system. This little relay controls power supply to the electric fuel pump, which, as you probably know, pumps gasoline from the tank up to the engine. The fuel pump relay is a crucial bridge between your vehicle's electrical circuits and the fuel pump. When you turn the key to start the engine, the fuel pump relay closes to provide 12-volt power from the battery to the in-tank fuel pump, allowing it to pressurize the fuel rail with up to 60 psi of fuel pressure. This allows the fuel injectors to spray fuel into the engine so it can run. Once the vehicle is running, the relay stays closed to keep the pump flowing. So what happens when the fuel pump relay itself starts having issues? There are a few common warning signs to be aware of that can indicate your fuel pump relay is wearing out or has failed. Difficult starting. One early sign is if the engine suddenly becomes harder to start. Since the relay isn't closing like it should, the pump can't build up standard fuel system pressure. No pressure means cranking the starter has to overcome that lack of initial fuel as well. Stalling out. Similarly, you might notice the engine stalls out more while idling, especially with electrical accessories on that place more load on the charging system. A bad relay that drops power to the pump when voltage fluctuates could be the culprit. Rough running. A faulty fuel pump relay that randomly cuts power to the fuel pump will make the engine hesitate, misfire under load, surge, and run rough. Anytime fuel pressure drops, engine performance suffers immediately. Check engine light. On many vehicles, there are fuel pressure sensors in the fuel rail. The PCM actively monitors that pressure, looking for irregular readings. Inconsistent power and pressure from a faulty relay can set codes for fuel pressure too low or fuel delivery error. Fuel pump noise. Sometimes a failing relay will power the fuel pump intermittently. When this power suddenly comes or goes, you may hear the in-tank pump change pitch or volume audibly before normal operation resumes. Whining or grinding noises point to issues as well. Fuel efficiency loss. Between choking at startup, running in limp mode, and random misfires, a faulty fuel pump relay will noticeably reduce your average MPG reading and make your wallet lighter at the gas pump. Why fuel pump relays fail? There are two common reasons fuel pump relays eventually fail after years of cycling on and off: heat and electrical overload killing internal components over time. The contacts essentially wear or melt away. Newer solid-state relays avoid this issue and last longer. Low voltage from a failing battery or charging system prevents the relay from closing fully. The fuel pump is unable to pressurize without full 12+ volts. Critical systems like ABS, stability control, and variable valve timing stop functioning as well until voltage is restored. In either scenario, the check engine light eventually illuminates due to continuous fuel pressure fluctuations or a detected no-start condition where fuel pressure never builds. At that point, it's very likely your fuel pump relay needs replacement. Fortunately, as an easy bolt and part, diagnosis is much simpler than tracking down faulty wiring. For less than $20, just replace the fuel pump relay and resume normal operation. If you found this video helpful, make sure to like, subscribe, and stay tuned for more real-world automotive diagnostics and repair guides from AutoFix Craft.